G'day and welcome to the video. Well, I've had a hell bus ride getting here to these two new gardens I'm going to look at today. Had to wait an extra half an hour for the bus to come, and you think that the buses in London are bad, even worse out here when it comes to waiting for them. But today we're going to look at Bourton House and Season Coat Garden, which I've been told from many people that they're absolutely amazing. So I just got in now, so let's go in and have a bit of a look. Let's go and have a look. Wow, already this is looking really nice. Oh, look at the dahlias there. Wow, sucking into the pots there. So cool. Lay down there just pruning away some hedges. Must make some chickens out of them. That's pretty cool. Jeez. Gee, that's bloody tough. You're gonna be careful with that one. Oh wow. Wow, already this is looking amazing. Oh look, down there, that's just insane. This must be the house. This is Bourton House. So I got suggested to come here from a few different people at Hidkit, so wow, this is looking really okay. Just take all that in. Wow, and oh, everything's just in flower. Look at so many dahlias here actually. Everything's just in flower, looking so nice. I got a few roses in there. Wow. Starting here at prime time. Wow. Oh, look at that one. Yeah, these are very different ones. Yeah, that's cool. Oh my god. Just insane. Gardens over here just can't believe it. This is well worth that extra half an hour of waiting for the bus. I thought I was never gonna come. I was about to give up actually. About just gonna call it quits and just go, no, what would he be there? Call it quits and just gonna, no, I won't bother. It's actually supposed to be raining today. It's quite overcast at the moment, so we're gonna go here, look around the garden here, then afterwards we'll go to another one, which is only just like a short walk down the road. And that one's called, yeah, Season Coat, that one is. And we'll go have a look at that one afterwards, but well, oh, with all the heat that we had at the start of the week, a lot of the plants here look like, even at Hidkit, they're beginning to wilt quite a bit. So like that might be sort of happening here as well. We've got the hoses out too, so they're able to catch up on a bit of the watering. That the giant gunner there. Jeez, I can't wait till we get down to the Lost Gardens of Hilligan. Apparently they're like twice the size of what they are there. Look at this. I don't think it's a very big garden this one is here. Certainly quite nice though. Certainly the side of the garden nice though. All the hydrangeas over that flower. That's quite nice. Wow. They've got all the boxes here, which I'm really surprised about because they normally have the boxes mite, which has been attacked a lot of all the boxes all throughout England here, but quite nice that they've sort of, yeah, put a few of them out there because coming over here to England, that's exactly what I thought was going to here. I thought boxes would be everywhere. But no, it turns out that not all of them are, so it's quite nice to see them. All the spalliades, look at that. Saw. Look at this. Just take all of it in. How cool is that? I had this everywhere. Even when I was at Hampton Court, they had all this growing there as well. All different poppies and stuff, so it's really quite nice. Such a beautiful garden here. Right, the smoke bush in there. Massive boxes. Right, you can have a little look inside here. You can see the boxes is just over the hedge there. Look at that. Takes a long time to get them like that though. Alright, let's go down here. A bit of a veggie garden in here. Let's go up here, look at this. Gee, got the ivy going around. Not a bad view. Alright. Jesus, it's just perfect timing to be here. Like, look at that. Wow. Well, then this little part is all flowering as white. White dahlias there. The agaranthemum. You've got white roses. Everything's just flowering white in this little bit. We've got the hydrangeas over there. Damn. Look at the buckets over there. Look how it's waved. It's pretty cool. Not a bad little area. Yews there, look at that. Got the same water lilies there. How good kit we do. So peaceful here. Look at all these boxes here pruned. Yeah, look at that. That's heaps cool. I've got all those spalliate apples across here. Just another side there. Look, again. Got the grass around. It's everywhere. I don't know what to tell you. It's just so cool. It's everywhere. Even right now, you can see where the moat. They're actually going to grow this little area I'm walking on right now. You can see the edges of where the moat. So they're going to grow these areas up as well. Like, it's quite nice. I think the main purpose is, you know, you don't have to mow that now. You can sort of let it grow. It's pretty cool. Wow, okay. So that's Bourton House Garden right there. It's really nice actually. Perfect size, not nice and small. That's the thing with these small gardens. You can put so much detail, put more of your energy into a smaller garden, make it look amazing rather than have a massive garden that's sort of spread out and nice in areas, you know, it's a bit different. That's why I much prefer these smaller gardens. They're quite nice. Alright, let's go down into the shop here. Quite a nice little shop in here. Bit of a cafe as well. Dude, look at the beams up there. This building is old. Check this out. It's a model of the house we're in now. Go in there and see. Oh, look at that. That is mad. Like a little dollhouse. one roof. Can I do this? It shows little rooms in there. This is pretty cool, eh? Just as I was walking out, that person I was printing these before when I come in was finished. But look at what a kill of a job. That is just amazing. This takes so long to get like that. Wow. It's so cool. Well, that was Bourton House and Garden, and wow, that was really nice. Certainly one of the best pro summer gardens I've seen. Everything was in flower. There was not a single leaf that was diseased or anything. It looked just absolutely amazing. And a lot of these gardens here actually they're only open during like spring or summer, and most of them I've noticed are closed. Even at Hidkit, that's actually closed all through winter. So a lot of the gardens here are closed. I've just seen that on the sign that from January to from November to January, it's like it's closed. That's all that winter, and the rest here it is open. But it just that was really nice. It was only like a 3-acre garden, so it was quite small. But no, that was really, really nice. And now we're on the march down to Sissingcote, which I've heard a lot of good things about. So I'll see you when I get there. Well, I've just arrived at Sissingcote, and this garden, it is massive actually, and there's so much to see here. I just walked in. Yeah, like this is going to be insane. I've just sat down just to sort of rest because I had to sort of walk about half an hour to get here from Bourton Gardens, so it took a bit of a march that was, but just arrived here. And yeah, this garden is massive, so I think I might have to cut the video off here and then make a part 2, because if I added this in as well, it's just going to make the video, it's going to be hours long. So I think I'm gonna leave you here, and I'm gonna make a part 2 straight after I finish here. So thank you so much for watching. Bourton Garden was absolutely amazing. We'll go have a little walk around, and you'll see that in part 2. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and I'll catch you in the next one.